Hi, Brad Silverlining Daydreams. Today we're going to frame and build a closet with a new door. Let's get this party started. So today we're going to remove these closet bifold doors. And Shelly has emptied out her closet here. You can see how big that is, how much room there is. So yeah, we're going to remove all this, and I may have to remove part of this 2x4 to get the new door to fit. And then we're going to put some drywall. So we're going to put a little wall here and put a door here. Yeah, we're going to get one more framing piece here. I think we'll just screw these in. So this here is so we have something to fix the drywall on the inside and the outside. And then the door will go over on this side and swing out. Hi. So we're happy this is going to fit. We've got a dry run here. So what we were concerned with, the rough opening isn't quite as high as what they said it should be, but we've got enough room up here that it's going to work. We were afraid we'd have to cut the stud that runs here off, and I didn't want to do that. Then what we're going to do is get some drywall right here.
Okay, so here we are and working on the closet, and Brad's popping the trim. And you can hear Tucker in the background. He has been staying right by his Uncle Brad. It only took a day to get the closet up to this point, which was really amazing, very fast.
Okay, this should come off now. Shelly, show them the trim here. See how why we're taking this out.
It's really ugly. It's original to the 1961 built house, and it's got that toe kick, which I hate. And so, and it's going to get replaced with some nice trim that'll match and make it look a little more up to date.
Now say it faster.
It'll It's really ugly bullnose trim. You can see from the original 1961 when the house was built. And so it's being popped off, and there was lots of places where no one had ever, the trim had a lot of paint on it from nobody taping it over the years when they painted. So it's been really nice to have all my trim replaced.
So I think we're ready to paint this wall. That's all ready now. We decided just to skip the texture. There's not as much left up there. No matter what we do to this wall, it's not gonna match. So we can always come back and rethink that, but for now we're just gonna paint this wall the same drizzle color. That's her new door. Like I said, we pulled the baseboard off. And so, yeah, this is gonna become storage. But yeah, we didn't do like a beautiful perfect job there. You're not going to see that by the time it's painted, and she has storage in here. None of that's going to be shown, but I framed all that in. So yeah, there's her door. And then I'll show you the baseboard we're going to use here. By the way, we didn't put this on with a lot of nails. There's just a nail or two on each wall because this baseboard may come off in a couple years to refinish these floors. There used to be a wall here, I think. And so yeah, here's her cabinets, just to kind of give you the vibe of the door. See how that is? So that is going to match somewhat. Yeah, actually it does match this door. And then she wants to maybe put one of those doors here. So right now it's just painted, you know, trying to save money where you can. But probably worth switching this door out like the other door to match these more, and probably worth it. Yeah. Hi, Pooch. Sorry for the mess I've made. Hi, how are you? All we got left is this back wall here. So this is called Drizzle from Home Depot. Shelly, what is the finish on it? Is it like satin or is it?
I honestly don't remember what we went with.
Maybe we can put that below, but it looks white when it goes on, but it turns this beautiful light pale blue.
Yeah, you could put a link on the bottom.
Yeah. Thanks for watching our closet building DIY, and we'll see you on the next video.